Welcome back. Teaching and non-teaching staff of Chogule Higher Secondary section met CM with an appeal on Tuesday. They have demanded that the higher secondary section should not be closed. They have asked CM to intervene in the matter and talk to Chogule management and the education department.
Teaching and non-teaching staff of Chogule Higher Secondary met CM Digambar Kamath on Tuesday at his residence in Madgaon. They have submitted their appeal letter to the CM. This is their present stand on the closure of Chogule College's higher secondary section.
The college, the higher secondary, teaching, non-teaching, all of us had a meeting today. And today we have discussed to send an appeal to the CM so that he is aware of what is happening in this higher secondary, why there is a closure of this higher secondary. We are appealing to him not to close the higher secondary. Both he has to see with the management as well as with the government, that is the education department. That is our stand right now.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt with Mayur Naik.
Excise department seized a truck carrying illegal liquor worth 1 lakh rupees at Pedne on Monday night. This is the fourth time that illegal liquor has been seized by the Pedne Excise Department. Driver of the truck fled away from the spot.
Excise Inspector Rajesh Naik seized a truck carrying illegal liquor at Pedne. The estimated cost of liquor is around 1 lakh rupees. He followed the truck from Mapsa to Pedne. He found the truck was carrying some scrap and liquor boxes were hidden amidst the scrap. The truck is registered with the state of Maharashtra.
लिकर हा इसकी केसीस हा
आणि कितल्या लाख
आणि ते भितर स्क्रॅप हा थोडे स्क्रॅपान मिक्स केल्लो
खंय मी कितें व्हरतालो ते कितें
म्हणजे ते भायर वयतालो गाडी खंय वयता तो भायर वयता म्हणून
आणि कितल्या लाखाचो आसा
अबाउट 1 lakh
Investigation in this case is on. This is the fourth time illegal liquor is seized by Pedne Excise Department. Rajesh Naik himself claims that earlier he has seized liquor worth 50 lakh rupees. A reporter from Pedne, Vinod Mehtar.
Bicholi Congress bloc has unanimously decided that they will not support Rajesh Patnekar as a Congress candidate for Bicholi constituency. Bloc Congress's decision has come after Patnekar claimed Bicholi seat. Members of bloc said that Rajesh is inducted in the Congress just to demoralize Manohar Parrikar.
Congress workers in Bicholi are annoyed with Rajesh Patnekar's claim to contest assembly election from Bicholi constituency on Congress ticket. They have decided that they will not support Patnekar.
पण कार्यकर्त्यांचो रोष असा की राजेशा खातीर आम्ही ब्लॉक सुद्धा काम करपाचो ना म्हणून आमकां कार्यकर्त्यांचे मार्गदर्शन आसा आम्ही स्वता म्हणना पण आमचे कार्यकर्ते सांगता म्हणजे साधारण कितें जालें ब्लॉकूच तेतून मागीर येयलो ब्लॉक काम करू शकना.
Moreover, they claim that Patnekar's induction is a challenge to Manohar Parrikar.
तुम्ही खंय डिमोरलायज जाऊ नका राजेशाक घेतला व फक्त पर्रीकराक डिमोरलायज करपाक पार्टीची तिकीट दिवपाक न्ही.
President of Sevadal Prasad Naik claims that this announcement by Patnekar has created unrest among Congress workers at Bicholi.
आज तांकां असो प्रश्न पडलेलो आसा की कितें चल्लां नरेश हो काम करता पण तिकेट दुसऱ्याक मेळटा पेपरार येता लोक सुद्दां चल बिचल जाल्ले आसा कितें चल्लां.
Our reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
The process of establishing 3 permanent research chairs at the Goa University has begun. The chairs will be named after 3 illustrious sons of the soil, Dayanand Bandodkar, B.B. Borkar and D.D. Kosambi. The government handed over grants of 55 lakh rupees to the Goa University on Monday.
The Department of Art and Culture handed over the grants to Goa University for setting up 3 permanent research chairs. Under a special budget provision, 14 lakh each is been given for the creation of Dayanand Bandodkar chair in political economy and B.B. Borkar chair for comparative literature, while 27 lakhs is been given for creating a D.D. Kosambi chair for interdisciplinary studies.
3 अध्यासना आम्ही गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या कडेन एक्चुअली सुपूर्द करता तयार म्हणजे ही अध्यासना स्थापन करपाक आणि ही अध्यासना ज्यांच्या नावान आम्ही स्थापन करपाचो प्रयत्न करतात ज्या तिगांनी गोंयच्या विकासात अत्यंत महत्वाचे योगदान दिले आसा.
Vice Chancellor of Goa University, Professor Dilip Byobakar said that people of high stature will be appointed on these chairs which will be linked to all departments.
By using these famous people's backgrounds as guidelines to do something which should be something in keeping in line with their contributions. The chair professor personalities are to be picked up, keeping the norms which are of very high standard. And these chair professors are not like regular professors who will just come and give lectures. These are individuals with recognition, their own, national, international, very high standing in their areas.
A reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.